Alright, here we have a 1996 Lexus LS400, another one with an ignition problem. Basically, as you see, the keys are good. They work through the door, no problem. But does not work the ignition. Key goes in, doesn't turn. So we're going to take this apart, rebuild it. We'll come back with this ignition working and everything. Be back shortly. This is I just finished rebuilding the ignition. Basically, ended up cutting the customer another key. I needed the key to work with. So this is 96, so this doesn't have a chip. But they have something fuel related, something mechanic related. So they're going to have to take this to the shop and figure out why it's not cranking over. But like I said, these don't have chips, so it's not going to be that. But if you notice, now here's something that most people don't factor in. When you call us, you're calling us to come out, try to get this ignition out intact without drilling or destroying it, rebuilding it to keep you on the same one key for the whole car. So like this job right here took about 2-3 hours. So that's what you're paying for. I know some of y'all call and y'all think the prices are kind of high, but you got somebody coming to your car, you got somebody trained to take this ignition out without destroying it. Because I don't know what these ignitions cost, 3, 4, 500, whatever. But you need our help, give us a call. You're in the Georgia area. If you're outside of the area, you might want to call somebody local, because we will not tell you how to fix this, nor will we tell whatever locksmith you have trying to help you deal with this problem how to fix it. If the person that you call do not know how to fix this, then obviously you have the wrong person. That's just food for thought right there. But if you need our help, you're in the Georgia area, give us a call. We'll put you on a schedule and get to you as soon as we can. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.